So let's even talk about marketing on social media. Literally everybody's on market. Literally everybody's on social media, but we are all doing different things. A lot of people are dancing, which is not bad. Yeah, some people dancing is their career. Dancing is how they make money. But some people are on social media buying data, scrolling every day, and nobody knows what they are doing. When they get to your page, there's nothing streamlined. That okay, meet David. This is what he does, or I am this. Not that I'm saying you should define it, but looking at what you do, people should be able to say, oh, this is the kind of person he is. This is the kind of person she is. You are just there having fun. Why that same moment, that same opportunity can be used to project your life positively. So this year is not about giving people's advice. Oh. My advice is working for me. It has to work for me because I'm taking my own advice. So one of the things I'm telling myself this year is that, hey, I'm going to market myself for the world to know. I'm going to market myself for the world to see. Enough of maybe you feeling like, what will people say? Or you're ashamed. Or you don't want to feel embarrassed. Those reasons are valid, but they are all excuses, sincerely. You are wishing, what will people say? You feel embarrassed. For what? Are they the one paying your bills? No. Do their opinion about your life matter? No, it doesn't. Their opinion doesn't matter. So live your life without looking back. I don't know what they are doing here. Seems like they are playing ball or something. But I'll still pass you. So please live your life to the fullest. It seems they are playing. We can't pass there. Where will you pass? Okay. They are playing ball down there. So I have to take the other route. So it's about you living your life. Market yourself. See, this adage that nobody's coming to save you. You know, it's already overused. But look at your life right now. Is it the kind of life you want to live? Sometimes we have to tell ourselves the truth. Yes, we are believers. We believe in God. We believe what God can do. But are you telling yourself the reality? Sit yourself and ask yourself, am I doing the right thing I need to do? Am I doing the right thing I need to do? Is this how my life will end? You might even be living in luxury. Maybe you were bettered into luxury. But sincerely, you still have one or two things you love to work on about yourself, right? So you have areas you like to develop. So once in a while, this kind of personal development, or what am I saying? Personal development, or sitting down, self-reflection. That's the right word. Self-reflection, self-evaluation is needed if you want to go find life. So market yourself. Not saying anybody, God. Because the truth is that right now, you are posting, you are doing things, people might not notice you because what people are after is the result. Nobody wants to know, oh, when Chema was making videos, when there was 0 likes, people would come only when, oh my God, how did she do it? Wow, where has she been? You know, something like that. People are after the result. So what I'm letting you know is that market yourself. This same time, this same opportunity that we're using, somebody else is using that opportunity and using it well. I think that's where I'll be ending this episode or this video. The goal, market yourself. Don't forget that my book titled How to Fight Pornography and Masturbation Addiction is ready for you to buy. And if you'd like to enroll in my 3-month friend course, do well to use the link in the description box below or as the first comment you get. See, people are looking at me, but oh my, I not send. Oh my God, I'm so excited doing this. Take care of yourself. Bye.